What's up friends, my name is Miranda, welcome back to my channel. Today we played with some color. I really just wanted to do something fun, do something inspiring, something related to Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is a month away. I'm super excited. I wish that I could be there in New Orleans this year, but I cannot. Hopefully here in Arizona they do something fun, otherwise I don't know what I'm gonna do. This look is really simple, it's really easy. I only use 3 different shades. I'm wearing a bright, vibrant purple lipstick today. That's just something that I felt was appropriate to match this awesome look. I mean, it's really fun. It literally took me like 5 minutes to do this eyeshadow. So here's the finished product. If you're interested to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and stick around. It is Mardi Gras season right now in New Orleans. I'm sadly not there, but I was there last year, lived there last year, got to experience it all. It was a great time. It was a blast. And I was really inspired by everyone's makeup, everyone's outfit, how interactive they were with everything the whole month. So that's what I wanted to do today. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. And then I'm also going to be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette. I like doing something simple for Mardi Gras because you're around a lot of people. It's crowded. You're sweating. You're probably drinking. That's not always the case though. You're around a lot of people. You're moving around. You're having a good time. So you don't want a bunch of chance for color to just kind of slip and fall and be all over your face. Last year it rained a lot, so I was also mindful of that. But girl, get you some good setting spray and an umbrella. You should be okay. I have a trick that I like to do for kind of the cat wing eye look, and it is this. That's it. Super simple. Helps me stay on track. I'm gonna have to put my mirror up here. Helps me stay on track. Helps me stay in the lines because I can't do it evenly no matter what I do. My eyes are already prepped and primed. My whole face is already done. Here we go. A good trick that I like to use to be even is I like to go where my nostril ends and then line that up with my eye. Because then when I do it on the other side, it's even. Here we go. I start by just kind of patting to get the color down. And then I'm just going to windshield wiper motion. Don't worry about being precise. This is not a precise look. And it looks patchy AF right now, but it will look better. Do you guys have any plans for Mardi Gras this year? I don't. I'm in Arizona. It's my first year being in Arizona for Mardi Gras. And I don't know if they do anything. I haven't seen any flyers, any advertisement, anything like that. See how sharp that line is? Like, yes, sharp. And now I'll just kind of come in and you see where it's kind of patchy. I'm gonna fix that. Got better lighting over here, so sorry. I might even take a little bit smaller of a brush, the more pointed ends. I can better blend that together. And that's it. That's it for that color. You don't have to do this step. It's just something I like to do to make my shimmers stick. But I'm just gonna throw some concealer down on my eyelid and help shape where my next color is going to be. Every dang time, guys. Every dang time. I need to hot glue this together. Every time. Oh, this doesn't need to be super precise either. It's literally just to help hold the shimmer shade on. Nothing perfect. I'm just going to be taking my finger and I'm going to be dipping into this nice shimmer yellow shade here with the ColourPop palette. Love the shade. Love this palette. You can't go wrong with it. And I'm just patting the color in. The areas that I want to be more precise, obviously in my crease, I will just be grabbing a smaller brush. This is a Morphe M421 and coating my brush with that color. Going in where I can't get in with my finger. Ballin'! Now I'll just take the same big blending brush that I used earlier and blend in that crease. Now here comes the fun part. So whenever I do fun looks like this, I don't necessarily like to do a big black winged eye. I like to play with color. What I'm going to be doing is taking a Morphe 165 brush. I'm going to be dipping into the Jaclyn Hill palette again, this nice dark purple shimmer shade. This shade isn't as vibrant as I want it to be for this look, so I'll go ahead and outline my wing with this shade. And then I'm actually going to pop into, I think I'm going to pop into my Maybelline Soda Pop palette. They have a really nice vibrant purple in there, and top it with that. So the nice thing about this too is it's already kind of outlined that area for you, so you don't have to work hard to get a wing. I mean, money, honey. You know what? That actually looks pretty good, pretty vibrant. I don't think I am gonna go over that. I picked up a lot better than I thought it would. Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back to finish up the look. Now, if you've been to Mardi Gras before, comment down below. Let me know, what is your favorite parade? I honestly saw so many parades last year. I lived on a parade route, so I literally just walked outside and there they were. I don't remember what was what. All I know was crew to this, crew to that, crew to whatever. I caught shoes, there was purses, so many cool beads. I've got a bunch of beads now. The ones that are really cool, that are like the keepsake, the heavy ones, I've got put away, and I want to buy like a big, some kind of decorative piece to hang on the wall in some way to incorporate all those beads, because they're just so cool. They're so cool. You're like, Miranda, you're almost 30. Why are you so obsessed with beads? They're cool. Go to Mardi Gras. You'll figure it out. You'll see why. Like I said in a previous video, the culture there is so cool. I actually don't want to do anything underneath my eyes at all. I think the top is so dramatic already, it honestly just doesn't need anything. Also, if you have any tips for getting eyelash glue out of your eyelashes, go ahead and leave a comment down below, because your girl has had eyelash glue in her eyelashes for, I don't know, 2 weeks. Haven't worn makeup since then. Only this eye, cannot get it off. Cannot get it off, and it is so annoying. My lashes are clumping together. I'm not gonna put on lashes right now because I don't want to deal with getting the eyelash glue off again tonight. Couldn't even get it off the first time, so. I'm also gonna throw a fun colored eyeliner down in my waterline. Throw on some mascara down there, put on some lips, and I will be right back. All right, folks, so I just ended up putting on a purple eyeliner underneath, topping off with some mascara, putting on a purple look. This is the finished, girl, what? This is the finished look. It is simple, it is easy. As you can see, my shimmer has kind of went up into my crease whenever I close my eyes. That's why I'm not too super precise on cutting my crease whenever I do a look like this, because I've got big eyeballs, big eyelids. It kind of just goes wherever it wants. So I let it do a thing. If you guys liked this video, comment, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for coming in and listening to my TED Talk, and have a wonderful day.